Alright, welcome back to the devlog for Disco Panic. Uh, today is a big update. There's a lot of things that have been done, and I like to kind of show to you and explain to you. So as you can see, we've got a menu screen with a uh, a video playing in the back. That's the stars from the video that you may have seen. The intro title. Uh, we've got a game over that I'll show you in a bit how that works. Well, I guess we could explain it real quick. It's essentially the same thing as the main game, except there's a teleporter, invisible teleporter here, that says to go back to the game, or you can go to the main menu when you die, and it's playing a distorted version of the main theme song to make it sound very creepy and weird. And there it says you died, you're going to see. On the main game, just give it a second to load. Alright. On the main game, we have a new HUD display. Fantastic stuff. It comes up looking good. We also have a health indicator with 3 different faces depending on how he is, Doom style. We have doors, which are open and unlock based on score, which you're about to see. And a bunch of game over logic and win game logic and stuff to do that. So, and sound effects added to everything. So it should be fun. So let's go back to the main menu and see how this looks. So hit exit and then it'll exit the game normally. Let's put that down a little bit. Okay. So you have it, and then you're gonna start disco. As you can see, here we are. He's kind of looking around in the top right corner there. Again, we have our lights and lighting and all this stuff. Oh, sound effects for when he gets hurt. A death and a shooting sound. There's a shooting sound. Let you hear the death sound again. See? Jukebox still doesn't function, but we're in an extremely stable version of the game now. Except for the executable, which I'll talk about after. So let's go up here and actually give this a little bit of a testing. So you see it makes a knocking sound. And then we have this text up here that comes up. Oh, we also have this text that tells you this store requires 100 points to unlock. And then if we go collect those 100 points, it'll make an unlocking sound. And the door gets unlocked. And there you go. And you can do that and run around the map and explore. Now, some issues that need to be fixed are in the executable file. The executable file is something interesting if anybody has any information on this. In the code here, when I am trying to... Okay, let's go to door unlock. So when I destroy this game object, in the executable file, it actually doesn't work. I should say I am using Unity 2020 if that has anything to do with it, but and I'm also on Windows 11. So I'm not sure if that's affecting it somehow. It's x86 64-bit that it's exporting to for Windows, but yeah, so it doesn't destroy the game object. And another thing is this play one shot doesn't work on the executable files, and I'm not sure why. As you can see, for everything, it gets the player tag, gets the player game object, finds the audio source from the player, and then plays it from the player. Now, in testing, this works. In the executable, this doesn't work for every single sound effect that I use to play one shot. All my music that I use from the audio source using Unity components works fine. However, when I put it in this way, it seems to only work in editing, and that's about it. So If anybody has any information on the executable in the meantime while I'm trying to figure it out, would be much appreciated. But other than that, we have a good game going, a solid game with a death state. Oh, I forgot to show you this guy's face over here. What happens to it as he gets hurt. So, let's just kill ourselves here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, see his nose is bleeding. He's getting a little more worried. His eyebrows have changed. Hit one more. Now he's angry. His eyebrows have changed. He's scarred. He's bloody. He's got a bruised eye. And then let's die. He makes a death sound. You died. Death sound. That could. Turn up the volume. Very creepy. So we have main menu. So we have go back. So if we go back, it's going to restart the game again. Alright. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good one.